Hi. Today, we will show you how to create a preset for shooting a partial panorama with a 200mm focal length lens, allowing 3 bracketed shots for each position. On the MECHA's user interface, specify the focal length via the custom option in the shots list. MECHA has created a script for the 200mm focal length. Then, expand the 2-axis slider and set corners for your partial panorama. We recommend that you set small angles when using focal lengths over 100mm. MECHA has already adjusted the script according to the corners we have set. Select the option 3TRG from the TRG list if you set your camera to take one photo at a time. TRG stands for camera trigger signals per position. On the other hand, if you set your camera to take the whole bracketed set of photos with a single press of the shutter, then select 1TRG. MECHA will send a single trigger signal, and your camera will take the 3 bracketed photos. Also, please pay attention to the settings E and A. E is the duration of the shutter button signal, and A is the delay after each trigger sequence. The exposure set on your camera should be no greater than E plus A. In our example, 0.25 seconds multiplied by 3 plus 1 second, so 1.75 seconds. 0.25 seconds is multiplied by 3 as we have selected the option 3TRG. A power code can be specified at the beginning of the preset name. For example, 031. Let's give it the name 200mm partial. The preset can be launched from the user interface using either the left or right button. But the power code 031 allows C2 users to launch the preset from the OLED menu as well. We only need to switch to preset menu and find the option 031, which is our preset, then press the center button to launch it. If the OLED shows set position, make sure the upper rail is positioned correctly, then continue by pressing the center button one more time. The starting position is level, SL, in our script. A power code like 031 allows the C1 users to launch a preset by simply using the controller buttons. Press power, then 3, then 1, and specify the direction of rotation by pressing either the left or right arrow button. Let's now watch a MECHA C2 executing this preset. Thank you for watching.